Okay, so what we're going to do now that we've got all the code here is we're going to do a little bit of testing and debugging to make sure that everything works. So I'm going to open up my console here and press run and see what happens. Looks like I need a reload. Replit is not being friendly right now, so let's try it again. We're going to run. You find yourself in a meadow. There's a path to your south and your north. What do you do? I'm going to go south. You come to a cave. There's a light flickering inside the cave. There's a path to the north. I know the dragon's in the cave, so I'm going to go north. Go north, sorry. North. Find yourself in a meadow. Let's go to the north then. Sinister looking vampire bat flies toward you bearing its teeth. Do you want to fight or run away? I'm going to fight it. I hit it, causing 1 damage. It has 4 hit points remaining, so that works, because remember our bat had 5 hit points. I'm going to fight it again. I caused 17 damage. The bat has negative 13 hit points remaining. That might be something I would want to change later. Instead of saying that it has negative 13 hit points remaining, I might want to say that I've killed the bat if the number of hit points falls below 0. And I can probably do that in that method. So it tells me my inventory is a key, which I just got from the bat. I probably ought to switch these two displays. Instead of displaying my inventory here, I should display the you beat the bat statement first, because then I don't take the inventory and after it's already been put in, or sorry, I have the key in my inventory in this line, and then in this line it says that I take the key, so that doesn't quite make sense. So that would be something I could play around with. But okay, so I've got the bat. Now I want to try something here. I want to make sure that my bat.isDead statement worked. So I'm going to go to the east. This is where my treasure chest is, and then I'm going to go west to the place where the bat was, and now the bat's no longer there. So that bat.isDead statement must have worked. Awesome. So I'm going to go east again and find that treasure chest. I find myself at a dead end. In the brush is a treasure chest. The path that I came from is to the west. I want to open the chest. Uh-oh. I use the key to open the chest. Your inventory is key sword. And so now I've got an error here. Type error, add bonus takes exactly 1 argument, 2 given. So I've got an issue on line 158. So let's take a look at line 158. Chest.plunder. So it looks like when I used this, so I'm going to go back up to my plunder thing here. So plunder, I put in self there for item and self.contents, item.addBonus, item bonus. Okay, so the issue is here. It's passing in 2 things. So in item.addBonus, it's passing in both self and the bonus from the item. So the problem is here that I'm not I don't actually need to put in the bonus when I'm doing my item.addBonus. I just call this on the item that I'm adding to my inventory, and then it's going to take its own bonus. And so what I need to do here is this should be self.bonus, because this will be pulling from this here, and then that should work. Does that make sense? So basically what I'm doing here is I'm passing self, which is what happens when you just have the blank parentheses, because I'm pulling the number that I'm getting from that item from the item itself, not from, which I'm calling here using the keyword item, not from anything else. So let's try that. Let's see if that worked. Okay, you find yourself in a meadow, path to the south and to the north. I'm going to go north, fight the bat. I beat the bat. I got the key. Go east. I'm at the dead end. I'm going to open the chest, and I use it to open the chest. So I grab the sword from the chest, and my hit points go up to 40. I grab the shield from the chest, and my hit points go up to 60. So now I'm at 60. I can go down and fight the dragon. So that must have been my issue there. And that's how you debug. You look at the error message that's given by your console, you figure out what lines the console is referring, and then you just follow the breadcrumbs back to the mistake that you made in your code. The thing that I've learned in all of my experience coding is that it's always my mistake. The computer never makes a mistake. It's always something that's in my code. Okay, so let's go fight that dragon. I'm going to go west. I'm going to go south. I'm going to go south. And now I'm at the cave. I'm going to go in the cave. I enter the cave. It's filled with treasure, but the treasure is guarded by a dragon. Suddenly in front of you appears a great green dragon. It roars at you, smoke coming out of its nostrils. I'm going to fight the dragon. It hit me, causing -1 damage. I'm going to fight it again. I hit it, causing 39 damage. It has 1 hit point remaining. I'm going to fight the dragon one more time. What happened? It looks like it broke and it went out of my program here. Instead of printing my game over, you slayed the dragon. Something weird happened. I bet it's because I called this game over is equal to true. I probably have to call that somewhere else. I'll have to do a little debugging to figure that out. But for the most part, things work. So there you go. There's your tutorial. I'm not going to do the debugging live because I want to make sure this is under 15 minutes to post to YouTube. So yeah, hopefully this works. So this is the kind of thing you should do. Play your game, figure out where things aren't working, and then figure out where the problems are and how you can fix them. I'm probably going to post another tutorial maybe next week on how to refactor some of this code. I would really like to take the scenes and turn them into objects themselves, and then have a simpler game loop. So I'll probably do that a little bit later. So look for that later on next week, and hopefully your coding projects are going well. All right, thanks a lot. See you later.